So a warm welcome to you all. We will be on the way very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. I'm Peter Drury, and this is Jim Beglin. A delight to have him on board.
Thanks for that, Peter, and may I say a big hello to everyone.
We can have a look at them now. So off we go then. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Wilson. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. It's a loose ball. Spoon forward. Played in early.
Well, he rushed into that and didn't give anyone a chance to get on the end of it.
Has a pop! Looks like a good ball through. Now here's the through ball. Nicely controlled. Battles to win it back. Deftly done. And he's straight offside. Boots it upfield. Plays it out to the wing. Now here's the through ball. The shot's on! Just off target.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in.
Tries to get it forward quickly. If you have just joined us, well, you've missed no goals. He's off on a marauding run. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Well, that's a booking, always looked it. He's gone for the shots. Oh, smart save, he had plenty to do.
Well, what a tester for the goalkeeper, because it was struck with real venom, and I thought he dealt with it really well.
Ward-Prowse. Aimed long and direct. Sticks in a foot to win it back. Wilson. Played out to the right. And the through ball is intercepted. Looks to dink one in. Wilson. Ward-Prowse. keeper's done ever so well.
Keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Towering header! Decent enough try.
And that is one very relieved man between the sticks. There was no way he was going to get to that, and he knows it.
Who's going to make this theirs? Goes long and forward. Knocks it towards the front. Tries a through ball. Forward it goes. Wilson tries to switch the play. Aim forward. It's a long forward pass. Now the pass. Delicate ball. Lobs it in gently, and he's cut it out. And the defence can get it clear. Up he gets! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Yeah, and it all came from very good trickery in the wider position, but quite a static defence. Was pretty fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse.
Pumps it upfield. So what now? And the first 45 minutes are up. An intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. And the second half gets underway. A tight old game so far. Can that change now? For goal! Lacking in accuracy.
Look, they haven't had that many shooting opportunities against this defence, but along with some patience now, they need to find a bit more invention and craft. They've come out of the dressing room firing on all cylinders now. We could be in for quite a second half here.
He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Floats one over. That has put a stop to that. Gets it upfield. Oh, good interception. Great challenge. Dinks one in. Passes it through. Shapes the shoots. Saved only by poor finishing.
Well, that's the kind of break that can do a lot of damage. It just lacked the finish to be a great counter-attacking strike. It was so direct.
And if you did take an extended half-time break, you'll be relieved to hear that you have missed nothing. And he's whipped it in low. That's not the cross he had in mind. Looks to slip it through. Tries a through ball. Gets it back. Spoon forward. Done very well to intervene. Thrust towards the front line. Wilson tries to stroke it through. Gets it back. Out to the flank. That's not going to find its target. Aimed long and direct. 0-0 the score, and we're just about done. A deeply frustrating game. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Ball's out on the left now. Cuts it out. Tries a long pass towards the front. 75 minutes played. Who's going to make this theirs? Wilson with the ball through. Crunching tackle. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example.
This defence is wary about opposition pace.
So they're just not getting too tight?
Yeah, they know that if they step up, their keeper could get a whole lot busier.
Shade too heavy. Keeper can pick that up. Now the pass. Wilson, there's no flag. He can get that clear. That had to be more accurate. Wilson passes it through. They've managed to get it away. And it's Wilson. Away from immediate danger. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. So there's the route one option. And that is that. A frustrating game for attackers on either side. They hardly had a sniff. Defence is broadly in charge, and it has finished goalless. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
I think they'll be a little irked by the fact that they had control for good periods of the game and didn't do enough to turn that control into victory.
My thanks to Jim. We both wish you a very good evening.